Stopping for a hopping toad. Going to my favorite park. Hurry before it gets dark. In my car. In my car. Driving in my car. Going very far. Down the street in my car. Driving in my car. Feeling like a star. Bouncing down the street in my car. Driving in my car. Turn the handlebar. Speeding down the street in my car. Tooting on the horn. Driving round from dusk till dawn. Going near and going far. I'm a superstar. In my car. In my car. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving.
The wheels on the bus are red, red, red. Red, red, red. Red, red, red. The wheels on the bus are red, red, red. All through the town. The wheels on the bus are blue, blue, blue. Blue, blue, blue. Blue, blue, blue. The wheels on the bus are blue, blue, blue. All through the town. The wheels on the bus are green, green, green. Green, green, green. Green, green, green. The wheels on the bus are green, green, green. All through the town. The wheels on the bus are white, white, white. White, white, white. White, white, white. The wheels on the bus are white, white, white. All through the town. The wheels on the bus are black, black, black. Black, black, black. Black, black, black. The wheels on the bus are black, black, black. All through the town. The wheels on the bus are pink, pink, pink. Pink, pink, pink. Pink, pink, pink. The wheels on the bus are pink, pink, pink. All through the town. All through the town. All through the town.
Hi there! Welcome to Old MacDonald's farm. All sorts of different animals live here. Meet my friends. We're going to play hide and seek. Do you want to play with us? All right. Close your eyes and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're hiding. Come on, let's look for them. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig. a woof, woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof, woof. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. That's two. Remember to tell me if you see anything. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. We found three. I think I heard something over there. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. That's four. Where do you think the horse could be? Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Isn't hide and seek fun? With your help, I found all five of my friends. Come back to Old MacDonald's farm anytime. Thanks for playing with us.
Hi! Have you seen any butterflies? I'm on the search for amazing insects. And what I really want to see is a little baby caterpillar transformed into a big, beautiful butterfly. Ooh, look! There's a yellow butterfly now. Let's follow and see where it leads us. Butterfly, butterfly, pretty yellow butterfly, flying here and flying there, flying everywhere. When I see you flap your wings, I know that it's time for spring. Butterfly, favorite part of going to sleep? It's having silly dreams. Would you like to come on a dreamy adventure with me? Great! Well, come on. Good night. Huh? My monster friends? I must be dreaming. My monster friends are fun to play with, but how am I going to get any rest? Come on, make some room for me. There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Johnny, are you okay? Still no space? There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Bonnie, are you okay? Oof, not again. There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Connie, are you okay? Now there's gotta be enough space. Oof, come on. There were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Ronnie, are you okay? There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, good night. Whoa, what a dream. I can't wait to tell my monster friends about it. Thanks for coming with me. See you again soon. In my dreams. Goodbye. Boo! Hi, my friend Mary and I are going trick-or-treating. But first, we need costumes. Come on, let's get ready for Halloween together. I'm putting on my clothes. I'm putting on my clothes. From my head down to my toes, I'm putting on my clothes. Shirt, I can do this. I put my right arm in, then I push it through. Put my left arm in, then my head goes too. I'm putting on my shirt. I'm putting on my shirt. Hooray, my shirt is on. Now we are. Happy Halloween!
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Hi! Hi, Eve! Thanks for coming to help me decorate my tree. It's a beautiful tree. Now let's make it a Christmas tree. Yeah! Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you're always green and lovely. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you're always green and lovely. So faithful green throughout the year, in summer and when winter's here. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you're always green and lovely. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, majestic are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, majestic are your branches. Beautiful tree, so tall and strong, you fill my heart with joy and song. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, majestic are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, your lights they shine so brightly. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, your lights they shine so brightly. You glow and twinkle like a star, a wondrous sight from near or far. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, your lights they shine so brightly. We did it! It's perfect. Bo Peep! Bo Peep! It's Christmas! Oh, look at the tree now! Merry Christmas, Bo Peep. Merry Christmas, Eep.